We all have been told at least once in our lives that if you go to school and get a good education, the chances are that you can make good money and be successful. Either we have told this to our kids or we have been told by our parents when we were young. I'm going to talk about the age old question, do you really need a degree to make money? Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel Sunny Snippets. On this channel, I try to make videos about the topics of financial knowledge and awareness, make it simple to understand so that my audience is well informed. I'm going to share my thoughts about it in the next 8 to 10 minutes, so I suggest you guys to watch this till the very end. And if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe as this will help my channel with the YouTube algorithm and will be highly appreciated. I think the relationship between getting a degree or higher education versus success in life is overrated. Don't get me wrong, I have an engineering degree too. A formal education plays a very important role in one's personal and professional life. But there are certain other important things in life that also determines your success. I came across a very interesting article on CNBC.com where it says nearly one third of today's billionaires don't have a bachelor's degree. This is itself a very powerful statement as it demystifies the fact that only a college degree is the final determining factor. According to a famous writer who writes in his book, How Rich People Think, and I quote, many world class performers have little formal education, have amassed their wealth through acquisition and subsequent sale of specific knowledge. Close quote. He further says in his book, and I quote again, self education will make you a fortune, formal education will make you a living. Your mind is such a powerful thing, and you get what you feed it. That is why everybody focuses on changing their mindset. The formal education mostly gives you an employee mindset, and a few exceptions are there. Thus, you should have a continuous learning in place as far as your skill set is concerned, and it will immensely help you personally and professionally. I think reading plays an important role in success of a person since so many successful wealthy people are voracious readers. It is a well-known fact that Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year and he has been on the top of success and wealth for a very long time. You walk into a successful person's house, the first thing you will see is a very extensive library of books that they have used to educate themselves and be successful as a result of it. People come home from work, sit on the couch, watch TV, have dinner, and go to bed. But this way of life is not going to help you get smarter. The idea is to go to bed smarter than you wake up. You can acquire knowledge if you want, but that involves a bit of hard work, which normally people avoid doing, and this is to do a lot of reading. Warren Buffett says, I just sit in my office, read all day. He estimates that he spends about 80% of his working day reading and thinking. He reads about 500 pages of factual information, not people's opinions, that helps him build up his knowledge. He has turned himself into a learning machine where the information is compounded over a period of time. This has enabled him to make quick, timely decisions which has made him one of the top 5 richest men in the world. Warren Buffett famously said once, and I quote, "My partner of many decades, Charlie Munger, and I read a lot. I don't know anyone who's wise who doesn't read a lot. But that's not enough. You have to have a temperament to grab ideas and do sensible things with it. Most people don't grab the right ideas or do not know what to do with them." Close quote. This is one of the most important pieces of puzzle where you need to grasp and apply the information acquired. The knowledge is worthless if you don't know how to apply and monetize it. Like anything in life, when you start, it's always awkward. You keep on doing it repeatedly, slowly, and surely, that awkwardness converts into a habit. As there is a saying, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Many successful and famous people have done in their lives to achieve the success they have got. Rather than applying your mind and your own ideas, try to follow their footsteps, as that will save you time and effort. If you watch all successful and wealthy people, you will notice that they have similar work ethics, have trained their minds in a certain way, focused extensively on acquiring new personal skill sets, have a habit of reading good books, and to them, success and wealth has come as a byproduct of their consistent efforts. A formal education can give you everything, but cannot ignite the hunger and fire in your belly. Either you have it or you don't. If you are in your comfort zone, chances are that you will take it easy. As an example, an immigrant to North America who wants to settle in the land of opportunities will surely have the motive and the hunger to do something with his life. Surely, a degree in hand will give you a head start, open a few doors for you, widens your thought process, but at the end of the day, you need to hustle. Think outside the box and put in that extra effort to make a fortune. You have rarely seen a well-educated turning into a wealthy guy. Mostly average guys who are street smart, self-taught with zeal to success, hunger in the belly, and with business mindset, making a fortune in their lives. I think that developing your mindset is the key to achieve anything in life. Your mind is such a powerful thing, and you get what you feed it. That is why everybody focuses on changing their mindset. The formal education mostly gives you an employee mindset, and a few exceptions are there. A degree will give you a student loan surely, not 100% certain that you can make tons of money with it and be successful. It's always a good idea to have a balance between having a formal education or a degree, getting a student loan, and the potential reward in the form of career derived from it. This is my take, where I have tried to explain if you really need a degree to make money and be successful in life. If you have found value in the content that I make, please help me and my channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing it. Press the notification button to get notified about the latest videos that I make. Thanks for watching. See you next time on your channel, Sunny Snippets.